Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Time design team project. And I thought I would focus on Valentine's Day this go round. And so let me show you the things that I used to create this one as well as a card in just a moment. For both items, I am using the Ginger Chef's paper pad and I'm using the hearts there. And then for the sentiment there, I am using Be Mine from the Love You Most stamp. And then for that tag that I stamped that on, it came from the Tag Frame Die Layers. And I'm using that little small one right there. And that little bow came from the Assorted Mini Bow Dies, and it's right here, these two. For the handle, I picked that up from the My Creative Time Tall Die Layers. And so that's the piece right there. And then I recently picked up this little box. It's just the cutest little thing. Fancy treat box. And I love how that little box turned out. It's just so cute and dainty. And then those hearts came from the Cute Heart Frame Dies and Layers. And so I believe I used the smallest one, this one, and the largest one from those. So let me show you these right here. A little bit more close there. It's just so cute. I love how it turned out. It's just the most daintiest thing when we look at that. It's just so cute. And then I put in the inside some Mon Cherie cherries and just pop that right in there. Just perfect. You can give it to your little crafty friend, or, you know, do something with the kids for Valentine's Day as well. And I made both sides just about identical. Okay, up next we have this cute little Valentine's Day card here, and I use the medium bow die, and that's from the Ginger Bow Dies, and I use that medium size in its coordinating pieces. The XO border frame dies, and I use that XOXO and the outer die there. And then I did use the little cute hearts in the inside as well. Okay, and let me just show you this a little bit more close there. I did layer up that XOXO. I put the black behind it because I thought it needed just a little bit more of something, so I thought that shadow would go perfectly behind there. There goes the hearts and the little bow. Love how it turned out. XOXO border frame dies, cut out the inside there, and then that's how the inside of the card looks. And I used that cute heart, one of the smallest ones on the inside, for that inside of that card. And so that's what I have for you. I thought both sets turned out so cute and just perfect for Valentine's Day. Everything to all of the products that I use, as well as My Creative Time, links to her channels and my design team sisters. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.